In the top left-hand corner of the application, you will see an options bar. The first option with the 3 lines will allow you to sign out, change licenses, and view your office list. When licenses is selected, you can choose to switch the license currently being used for your PC. This is workstation number 1, so WS01 would be the correct license for this PC. When we click on the office list, this will show a view of all of the offices currently under this account. Just select your office, then select your license. The eye icon in the options bar is the display settings. When this is selected, you can edit the size of the display columns. The lower the number is adjusted to, the smaller the columns will appear. Once the columns are at a desired size, simply click outside of the window and the changed settings will automatically save. The speaker icon within the options bar will allow you to adjust the volume or mute the sounds that play when someone is being paged. Simply click on the speaker icon, adjust the volume to the desired frequency, then release to save. The help icon will allow you to submit questions or trouble tickets to the InSync's support team. Just click on the help icon and a browser will open and direct you to the support page. To submit ideas or suggestions, enter the suggestion, then click Continue. If you have any questions, click on the Questions tab to submit them. To enter a trouble ticket, simply click on the Submit Ticket tab, enter the subject, enter the problem, select the priority, then click Submit. An InSync's support representative will reach out to you shortly with a solution. The Windows button in the options bar will allow you to log into the administrator portal. Simply click on the Windows icon, and a browser will open directing you to the admin portal where you will be able to manage paging, messaging, and billing modules. To manage these modules, please see the administrator portal video for more information.